What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. Like, subscribe, and the post notifications so you know if I want to upload new videos. So as you can see by the title, I got this little thing and it's supposed to have slime in it. But yeah, I'm gonna be opening it because I just got it out of these little machines. You know those machines that you usually have gum in? They had this for $1, so I snatched one. And I've been waiting to open it for you guys. I'm sorry guys, the baby. I can't open it. The baby's right there, so that's why. Oh, got it. So I'm gonna open the purple first. I got it. Ooh, guys, that looks so cool. Whoa. That looks cool. It doesn't feel so good, but I'm pretty sure that whenever I had one, like a different kind of these before from the store, Granny, shush, I'm trying to make a YouTube video here. So like, I got a different one, and that's why I wanted this to make a video for you guys. But I had a different one before, and I added water, and it turned into better, like a slime. And that's what I did, and it turned into a slime. So yeah, so I can't get a lot of it out because it's not coming out very well. But I really want to get this little piece right here out. Hi guys, I'm messy right now. We just got home from the store and it's late at night. Not really too late, but it's late. What time is it? Can you see on your phone, Granny?
About 10 o'clock.
It's about 10 o'clock. We went out to eat and to the grocery store. Thank you, Granny. So I got that slime as much as it's coming out. So here it is. It's not too good. It kind of rips. Granny, can I have a little bit of your vape juice? It's like a drop, please. It makes it smell good and it makes it like slime. Just a drop. Like a, what? Baby, some of her vape juice. I'm gonna put it in it. And this is what I used to use it as scent. Okay, just a drop. Hold on. Then I'm gonna mix it. It should make it smell good and get a little bit liquidy. Not really liquid, you know what I mean? Kind of the stretchier. Yeah. Smells good. Here it is. It doesn't leave residue now at all either, but it's nice. I need a little bit more, Granny. It won't come out. Do you have any more? No. Then why won't it come out? Now what are you going to use? Granny? What are you going to use in your vape?
I have mine that I haven't opened. That you just got some out.
I heated it. Grab it. Okay, guys. There we go. Now it's turning good. Oh, God. I hope it doesn't get really sticky. Oh, yeah. This is good. The consistency is so much better. My hands are getting kind of residuey, though. But, see how I'm color changing? Let's go. Well, now we're going to open the pink one. So there's purple. I don't know if I want to mix them yet. It depends, but yeah. Even like a while ago, a long time ago, like last year, if she had any extra tiny vape juices, she'd give them to me and I put them in slime. So if you guys have parents that vape, just get some of their vape juice and you can put it in your slime and it'll make it smell good. That's a little life hack. Instead of buying scents, just use vape juice with glycerin in it. I need some more vape juice, Granny. I need to put it in the pink one too. You can just have one with vape juice in it and then one with not vape juice in it. What do you mean? Like you got a whole other thing. So here's the pink. It's not really good at all, but it's kind of sizzly. Granny, why don't you got no vape juice?
I think you need to know the fact that there are some bad in people. She worked 3 separate jobs to earn the money from the abroad. She never went out. She stayed at home, studied, and worked. And that's all she did.
Do you see anything coming out of this? Granny? Do you?
No, it's probably not in it.
There's a bead stuck in it.
See David. David, statue of David.
No. Life hack again. Get an earring. If you get a foam bead stuck in it, which you probably won't because you're not dumb like me, then it should.
Harry Potter. Marvin, how do you like love with Harry Potter? I am. I'm reading it in German, and I'm gonna get.
Okay, it should work now.
I'm not even gonna be able to read it, so I can't even do Italian.
What the freak? Okay, guys.
I want to tell her not to be afraid.
Why does it smell like that?
Because
Okay, guys. So these are the two slimes that I got out of the machine.
hit me like a train.
So now I'm thinking we get some. And we, okay, I'm thinking. Do you guys want to mix? Okay. Okay. Oh no, it's gonna be so ugly now. I hope it turns into like a light purple. That would be pretty. Oh, it is gonna turn into that color. So that's so pretty, you guys. So I'm gonna see if we can get any more out of this. Oh, yep. Okay, guys. So here it is. It's so pretty. So right now I have the container, and I hope it. Oh, it has holes in it. What? Why would you make that with it? Don't explain, guys. Oh, that's cool. So I'm just gonna put it in here for now. And yeah, I have a video idea that I'm gonna use it soon. But bye, guys. Remember, like, subscribe to the post notifications to be notified when I upload new videos. Bye. Hold on. There's the coffee.